This is what we're going to build. As you can see, there's no finishing on that at all, but it's a planter box, quite nice and deep and wide. Okay, so let's make the legs. Legs are going to go into that shape, so we now need to mark off where we put the pilot holes. So let's should be able to clearly see the line where we're going to drill pilot holes in. So we'll put I have a countersink in here, so now we'll just countersink the holes. Are countersunk. That bit quite warm. Okay, so that's ready. That piece as close to its edge as possible. Get my 5 screws. I'm using Eureka drywall screws, 3.5 by 41 mils. Get those out. Keep everything flush with my fingers. Take an end, press down. There is one leg made. And we have 4 legs. Seems to be having a little bit of difficulty. We'll just swap him around. Okay. Obviously not such a straight edge. There you have your 4 legs. Okay, having made the legs, let's put the side panels together. So we first need to lay them out of the 2 long pieces alongside each other. I put the short pieces alongside each other first. I'll explain why later. If I look like I'm sweating, it is hot as hell here in the garage. So these are 53 centimeters. The total length of these side panels is 44. So now we simply lay them out from the top. We'll square everything off as we go along. Put it in. Up a bit so it's square and flush with the top. Tighten it up. Yeah, that one's a bit short, but it doesn't really matter because they're hidden away. It's the beauty of wood. You can hide things away so nicely. So now I'm going to put pilot holes in. I'm going to start with the bottom ones. 100% for us beginner woodworkers. We're going to make these mistakes. But that's the fun of it, and learning how to do things. This Ryobi 18 volt to the CLD 18 works wonderfully well. I have a 400 milliamp hour battery on it, which literally lasts forever. Shake it off. And we have a side panel. Assembling the legs took 11 minutes based on how long the video recorded for, and to put that side panel together took 10 minutes. So let's join these two side pieces together. I've pre-drilled the pilot holes, you can see, and countersunk them off camera. Now we're going to line that one up, so I can put him in. He's in. I can line this one up. That, put that in there. He's in, that all lines up.